Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alecia's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making these flaky Jamaican beef patties. Now let's jump right into the video. Now guys, in a bowl I'll be adding flour, and this is 3 cups of flour, though I'll be listing all the ingredients down in the description below. I'm also adding baking powder, salt, turmeric, and curry powder. Now guys, I'm just using my fingertips just to combine all the ingredients together. Now guys, to mix this you can either use your hands or you can use a mixer or a food processor, whatever you guys have. I'm using my fingertips as I was taught in school, so I'm just going to add my butter. I already add my butter. Now I'm just going to crumble it, just making sure that it resembles coarse bread crumb. That's the texture you're looking for. So now guys, I'm adding my ice cold water and I'm going to mix that until all the ingredients are well combined and the pastry dough slightly developed. So now guys, I'm forming my dough and I'm going to add it to a plastic and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 40 minutes just to set. So now guys, on medium to high heat I add about a 1/4 cup of oil and I'm adding my ground beef, and this is actually lean ground beef. And I'm just going to let that cook for about 20 minutes. But while it's cooking, I'm going to use my whisk. But first, I'm going to add my vegetables. Now, I'm going to use my whisk just to, just so that it doesn't get lumpy. So now I'm adding some thyme and garlic and onion powder just to season it. I'm also gonna add some Maggi all-purpose season, just to give it some flavor. And you want to continue using your whisk, guys. Now guys, I will be adding some beef stock, so it doesn't dry out, because you don't want a dry meat, no dry filling, you just want it to be moist. Now I will be adding some browning just so it looks as authentic as possible. And also some ketchup. Now guys, I will be adding breadcrumbs just so that it absorbs some of that moisture. Okay, so now that I've removed the dough from the refrigerator, I'm going to be rolling it. First, I'm going to flour the surface so that it doesn't stick to the surface. Now I'm going to be rolling it and cutting it into equal parts. Guys, I'm just using a saucer. You guys can use, cutter if you guys have, your girl doesn't have any cutter, so I'm just using a saucer. Okay, now guys, so I'm going to fill each pastry disc with about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the filling, and try not to put too much filling in it. Now I'm going to overlap the pastry dough just to resemble a half moon crescent, and I'm going to pinch the outer end of the dough with a fork just to seal the seams. And you just want to repeat the process. And some of my patties, I add cheese to it, making cheese patties. So yeah, and it's optional if you guys want to use cheese or not. Now I'll be baking these in a 350 degrees oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And there you have it, guys. Our patties are finally out of the oven. They were flaky, they were moist, they were amazing. I thank you guys once more for stopping by, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new video, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.